Yo.
Move!
Together we belong, you are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night,
Saga.
every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming
Tell us something, girlfriend.
of you.
What's up, AC gang? Your boy Capo is back with another prank, and as you can see by the title, right now me and do the not give girlfriend breakfast prank. So people, right now I be hungry because I go up and do this morning, come back about 10 o'clock, and she upstairs, she design my pants. So I say me I make breakfast, ackee and saltfish and dumpling and boil. The ackee and saltfish don't put on it. Well, the ackee don't boil, but it don't think go. Anyway people, so me I just share my breakfast, and go upstairs, and she not get no food, me I go see how she go react. So guys, first thing I food I find a way before I share the food. Put on the camera. One bite I add, guys, but I find out you put on the camera, we'll talk her out and make sure she not see. So make sure you comment Team Capo down below. Subscribe if you're new. Follow up on Instagram, guys. I prank about to be epic. I know I'll be mad when you come out to our food. I just think about our belly. So I know say when I go to the woman come in the room without fear food, that cause a big problem. So people just start comment Team Capo right now, alright? And turn on notification bell. I want to give a shout out to TNT Nation. So go back to them channel, subscribe to them, subscribe to Image and Dali channel. Also Ali and Chase. So subscribe to them too. And of course shout out to Big Link and Mo. I love people, so subscribe to them. Tell them say I'll be on Capo sending on people, alright? Guys, I just tell her to go up on the line and take up the clothes. So now is the best time to do it. So I put on the camera right now. So it starts from the comment section with Team Capo, guys. Team Capo. You be like, so go. Mom, dear.
Yeah, you did.
You can like see me?
You know, I'm going to exercise. I
Oh,
have
too bad away now.
I'm going to get back for sure. So. You got some. Yeah, that's on YouTube there.
You made back in back tomorrow now.
Water come?
So pee pee.
The piece?
The water, take it time up. Just set up pee pee.
It's also.
Man.
Where my phone?
What?
I'm phone there.
Get that go.
Yeah.
You hungry, my girl?
You're going to sit there and go there with friends. I'm phone there. Yeah, but stop laugh. I'm phone
I'm
there.
there. Yo,
I'm phone
don't be
there.
bad for.
Yeah, but stop now. I'm hungry. You know, I'm phone there.
I'll be hungry for money. Get for money. Go up and come back.
Flats, I'm
I'll
tell you
do.
I'm hungry.
I did that. I cut up the clothes.
So what? I'm tell you I'm
So
hungry.
the hungry, I find the kitchen. I go down and go find one food.
When the day I'm married, maybe you get up and find breakfast.
Yes.
Before you even wear breakfast prepare for you.
Sometime.
Every time.
Sometime. Ah,
People, why you do this?
why don't they hungry?
Yeah, for somebody every day, you hear and tell us that I'm hungry. Every morning they give me breakfast, so why am I tell you today?
Guys, I take it up this morning. So I go away. I come back and you give me some food to eat. Me go up and early and come back.
But they, I'm not going to touch
No
it,
matter
so I
where
don't
you're
know what...
You don't know what way there. If you don't know, say, she ask me. Yeah, what don't make you about. I find it and tell you for the book.
Well, I'm going in and dead. I'm going in and dead.
Okay. Go. Hey, yo.
Move! Move.
Yes, I say food now. Good girl. My food, man. Abby. The bone out.
You're bright. I want to actually touch my baby.
Yo.
Come on, leave my look. I told this
Let's go play.
in.
That'd be free low.
You're too
Free,
disgusting, Kai.
Stop.
Never, you know, down my yard. I'm a cooker. Let go from me. You're too bright.
Ah!
Move.
Yeah, dad.
Watch out. Put them on my elastic pop on my head.
Jesus.
Move.
No, yo, you want to eat my food. Big man thing. Can you from man, you know what? Eat my food.
Come on.
Right out of bother, man. Come on. Just a girl, load that again, man.
You better come here and I'm going to
Man,
let you
choke.
food, eh?
Man, choke. Pussy flat. You have a food, man?
I hope I have to touch my alcohol. I remember last sleep, Papa, man, I'm going to last sleep. That's why I'm keeping
Man,
you
you eat
up
that
and
already.
thinking that's in the pot me last sleep. Alright. Now we're afraid of the food. So I do my pants. I'm down here, I'm coming up here, one nobody I'm here for food. Watch out. I can't touch my damn pants. And they say, don't know.
Hey, you have to know.
I can touch my pants.
I'm going to take my
I'm
food.
not laugh, Gabo. I'm not
Open your pants and
laughing.
have my food alone. no?
Once a minute, I can touch my pants.
I'm stop. I want to sharp bait, you know. You need to do animal stuff. The animal.
I'm hungry. And you're too disgusting. Come on, I never do that to you.
Let go plate.
Leave me
Let go
alone.
plate. Like a dog. You a dog. I'm not eating that, man.
And wipe out my pants.
The brighty.
And if you give me back another elastic, that's why I keep the damn wig over it. And the kerchief, I have the elastic pop, I'm not more elastic.
Yo, don't knock you now. Don't knock you, please. Don't knock you. Don't knock you, man. You piece of bread. Bread,
You're
can't
gonna deserve nothing.
Yo, give me knock you now. Please carry up on the back, you know. Good girl. Abby. Never knock. Hey, don't even knock dumpling. Don't knock dumpling. Don't do that, dumpling, please.
Yeah, this is you. Me find the boy for food, this is even funny. It's not funny, girl, but you know what, take it.
Yo,
I'm not
imagine.
supposed to be here to fight the food. You remember back, Melly?
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, God. You have to
You
influence
boy don't funny, you know why you do this?
No? Yeah, my girl, next time I'm food up in food, man. I want to do. Right.
This is even funny, alright. More about my last couple ketchup on my ear.
Yeah, when you food in a piece.
My ear cover for 2
You
days
know you have hungry,
straight.
you can't hungry come here for.
2 days straight. With that dirty self. I'm have to take out my damn with a fight for food. If I make somebody get here to fight for food.
Energy my water, please.
Fucking crap.
Damn!
And I'm like, I'm here.
Damn!
Nobody here to fight for food. My dad hurt me, like, that's why I'm not carrying on my damn head. Why you just make my head hurt me? I'm fighting
Yeah, I
for
mean-
damn food. I forgot to tell Chris
Yo.
what it is. Move!
The food is best food we've had in a days. I can't swap fish nice.
Hey, but some man, I tell Chris about this now.
What do you want to tell Krista?
I'm no business.
Hmm?
Hey, but it don't funny.
Abby, don't much time don't give me food, that's problem.
Hey, but I never don't get food yet. I'm stinking dirty enemy, they may give food.
That pay me, man. Not gonna be here. What happened to me?
You don't, oh, so I like it. I don't funny. Remember that hurt me. Don't touch me here.
I'm so sorry. I'm broke.
Son, no matter hurt me. That's why I'm not
Don't
going to
don't touch it then, don't make it relax then. No.
Go on, put that. No, we go, boy.
Big take a week now?
You're fine enough for that. No, man, no. You don't funny.
Funny to me. What you do? What you do? You put a wig for?
Yeah, but stop.
Why you put the wig? Why you put on your
wig?
wig? Why you put on your wig?
Because the hair blood on my eye and my eye
Why you
sick.
put on your wig though?
Because I want the wig cover the ear that's in the blood on my eye. I'm not kidding on my ear.
Something, no, it looks so.
Give me this one. Come on, I laugh.
I mean,
It's tough for the couple, because I know my own. Nothing.
you don't eat one of them things, I'm gonna give you another bit. You just take one of them.
But you stop at my in there about.
You get 3 dumplings and take one. No problem now. Relax, man. Look.
My mother some blood in my eye. I don't want me blood in my eye. My eye hurt.
Alright, so.
Go down there. I mean, I never there. I made a sign for.
What do you mean, sign for?
That just a show for you.
Why?
And there's no way you can.
So you had the ball?
Move.
So about that ball? I can't buy that ball for food. That's what make your ball?
No way. Somebody get their hand. I get that way and I give them no food. And then for ask it, I'll tell us them always.
But I mean, we're gone from morning. Why you mean?
Alright, come on, you're going from money. Should I know better?
Say you cry. I'm sorry. Sorry, no?
Should I know better?
Wait, you're going to? You're not going to?
I don't know pants and I got me hand. I like start work and then I pause and say, yeah, but you mix up again. I mean, mix up, I'm confused already. Yeah, but just move from the phone.
So you tell me, if because I look up plate of food, if it's for?
Yeah, but I'm hungry, you know, could nothing give me.
You're handicapped?
I'm not there, my eyes, so I don't know why in the fridge I use.
You know? Whoa! Whoa! You know what? You know what mine already?
Never fuck you.
Come
fuck
here.
you.
Oh, share? I mean, I get some more food there. Yo, I'm gonna tell you this. Abby. Come on now. You really vexed. Can I kiss?
Mom!
Can I kiss her?
You don't say, Mama, lick on my lips.
Let me see now. Come here. Let me see now.
Don't be girl. Never else to leave me alone, please. You don't worry yourself. Food. I'm not 5 feet over. Leave me alone.
Oh, Shama, baby. Oh, come here. Let me feel properly. Come here. Ah, I'm going. No, sir. You say damn big and heavy. Give me a kiss, man. Give me a kiss, sir. Say not get no food from me again, man. If you ever eat that. Oh, yeah, I said sometimes.
So when my behavior start change, something in them dirty life.
Abby,
What?
open the door, man.
For what?
Look for me, no?
Me not put nothing.
Please.
Just cause they got dirty school here. Damn crosses. So I got me here too.
Dun 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 dun. Hey, the food. Yeah, man, I get kids. It was a prank, you fool. You can't believe I pranked you like that. Yes, mad like. Not giving girlfriend breakfast prank. Why me can't post that? Last time you prank me. Last time I prank you. You come on up on the ground, you're dead from you come on top of your belly. See you get pranked now for food. Guys, finally get her. We don't know she love her belly already, so I have to do the prank upon her. Not giving girlfriend food prank, are we? Come on, of course me I give food. Guys, if you enjoy the prank, just hit the like button and comment. Team Kiapo down below. Subscribe for the new one. Make sure to subscribe. Turn on notification bell so when I post a video, you want to get notified immediately. Alright? Guys, no one nice ackee and saltfish and dumpling. Of course, Abby, I forget. Abby, you focus on the food, so. Yo. Hey, Abby, focus on the food, isn't that shame? You say enjoy your one now, you have to fight with me a while ago.
It's not funny.
Oh boy.
Fuck never buy food, say fuck.
Poor thing, you're sad. Guys, make sure to subscribe. if you don't love the channel and
Yeah,
watch other video them.
Pants. I know my pants are away from
And watch other video them when you see come on the end screen. And make sure all of them go over right now and subscribe to Abby and Capo Comedy TV. We have some video on it when I go love. When I go over there and subscribe, because video them nice, man, I tell you no. And turn on notification bell. Abby, where I tell the people them before we go away? Where I tell the family
Guys,
before we go away?
get my name and bar for food in there.
Nearly Abby here full of water while I go tell the truth.
No.
Guys,
They're funny.
we know I'm funny now.
Yeah, but me not feel
No,
like
wait.
post that for true. They might say,
I have to post.
Guys,
Guys, she just find me for my food, you know, we have 3 dumplings in that plate. She 2.5, I probably 1, I don't know how much I eat,
you
but
can get
right now, I forgot eating my fair food.
Yeah, you can get the banana
I know a dumpling.
and piece of the dumpling.
Oh, that sounds like it can work. So guys, Team Capo is out.